If your YouTube Shorts RPM is below 20 cents, you're wasting your time. You can see here I'm getting crazy high RPMs like 069, 045, 041, 04. And this is not the only channel I'm doing it on as well. Here you can see 039, 053, 051, 079, even 84 cents. And again, another channel, 057, 037, 055. And I do this on AdSense too. Like you can see here, 2 million views, 25 cent RPM. 6.2 million views, 0.24 RPM, 6.8 million views, 23 RPM, and these two combined can make you a lot of money. Now, there's a method I use to get these high RPMs across every single channel I make, and it's one of the many things that I teach inside of Earn It Media, which has allowed members to print thousands for quite a long time now. But today I'll share the method with you as well, and just to make it easier to understand, I'm going to separate the video into 4 lessons.
Your favorite car, bro?
The Aston Martin.
Tristan thinks well, guys. Critical thinking, I fucking love it.
So you see these ads between shorts? That's basically how YouTube makes money. Advertisers pay YouTube to promote the products on the platform, and then every month YouTube gets all of this money that they make and they put it into a big pool. The pool is divided into 2 parts. You got creator and music, and when you hit 10 million views in 90 days, you become eligible to make money from the ads on the shorts feed. This means that now you can make money from the creator pool, which YouTube takes a 45% split, but you don't really see any of that. Inside your analytics, where it shows your RPM and your revenue, that's already what you have like post splits, so that's the final number that you receive. You may also be wondering, how do I get access to the music pool? And you can do this by promoting certain companies' music in your videos. It's very easy and it's a serious game changer, but I'll get into this in depth in the 3rd lesson.
There was years where my father didn't even make 100 grand.
Unlike long form content, your niche doesn't actually matter. What matters the most is your audience demographic. The creator pools that I mentioned in the 1st lesson are done in every single country. So as you can imagine, the ad revenue, the total ad revenue made in India will of course be a lot lower than the US. Now you may be thinking why, and it's because Americans make more money, which means they're willing to spend more money, which makes them a more premium target for advertisers. So advertisers spend more to target that audience. So basically, if you want a high RPM with AdSense, your audience location is what matters the most. You just need to focus on targeting rich countries for the best results. For these videos, for example, that I was showing earlier, 0.25 RPM, we'll have a look at the audience here, 70% US and followed up by UK. Same for this one, let's have a look, 0.24 RPM on a 6.2 million viewed video. Again, 70% US, 7% UK, and they're all English speaking countries, of course, apart from Germany. Another one here, let's have a look. Yeah, 60% US, 9% UK. So you can see a common pattern here. It's got to be first world English speaking countries, ideally the US and the UK. Now, what you should do in order to get a high RPM like this, you need to make all of your videos English voiceover, use English speakers, English subtitles, English script. The transcript of the video has to be English. But really the biggest game changer is making your videos involve topics that really appeals to Americans or people from the UK. Now, that could be anything like, I don't know, what do Americans like Ford trucks, maybe something to do with the NFL, hunting, topics like that is what's going to appeal to that US audience, and that will bring you the high RPM.
My daughters will never make more money than I make.
They're about to start their careers.
They'll never achieve what I have achieved.
So now let's talk about the second half of the pool, which is music. All you need to do is partner with a music company and have their song playing in your videos. This basically allows you to unlock the music pool, as it gets them views on their music, which means they can split the music pool revenue with you. If you want access to the same music company I work with and you've generated over 1 million views in the last 30 days with an English speaking audience, then you can fill out the Google form in the description below and I will contact you. But if you haven't reached that amount of views as well, it's completely fine. I run a premium community called Earn It Media where members inside get an instant deal, so they're monetized from their first video. Inside my community, I provide all the resources and mentorship you need, which is why so many of my students are getting crazy results like this.
You give me $1 million, dude, I'm good. But you're wrong. You think it's a lot of money until you do the math, and then you realize this is no money at all.
And now, similar to AdSense, audience location does matter a lot. You want to target an English speaking speaking audience like we were talking about earlier. But there are two other very important factors that play a huge role in deciding the music RPM, which don't really play a part in AdSense. Now, the first is the audience age. The less of a younger audience you have watching your videos, the better. Like, for example, this video here, 2.5 million views, 0.79 RPM. What does the demographic look like for that? Here we can see the same video. Again, 70% US, 7% Canada, UK. But what's more interesting is you can see barely any young people are watching this content. It's in like the mid ranges. So this is really what you want to target. From 25 plus is ideal. You just want to try and create content in niches that appeal to older English speaking viewers. A lot of the times when you're looking for a niche, look through the comments because that will quickly give you a perspective on the maturity of the audience that's watching. You know, the topics of the conversation, what they're talking about, you know, you can easily distinguish whether they're adults or children. And the second factor that has an influence on music RPM is one that can literally triple your RPM without having to change anything audience related. And that is simply making your shorts over 30 seconds long. Now, let me show you why. You can see here, these videos are getting millions of views. Cool. So 36 RPM, 32, 59. Now, all of a sudden we've got 8 cents, 5 cents, 7 cents. But why does this happen? Now, the difference with these videos is they're all below 30 seconds long. This one's like 25, this one's 20, this one's 22. They're all like early to mid 20s. And literally, if you just increase the length by a few seconds to over 30, this is how you can literally like 10x your RPM. It's pretty crazy. So to summarize, all you want to do is target an older American audience, use music in your videos, and make those videos over 30 seconds long.